All right, we're out here. We're gonna go see what Jeremiah is up to over here, working on Bluebell. So let's see. What are you up to?
I'm gonna change these brakes out.
You're not done yet?
No, sir.
Why are your hands so dirty already?
Dirty and greasy. Probably hasn't been cleaned in years.
Yeah. Have you done anything yet, or?
I sprayed it all down and pulled off the return springs.
Okay. Well, let's see if we can do some work on Bluebell's brakes. See if we can't make them work again.
Hey, Grayson. What you doing, you old silly cat? Huh? Are you comfy here? Yeah. What you doing? Meow.
All right, so we're gonna get started on this, trying to change these brakes out here. It's gonna be a learning experience, mostly for Jeremiah, and a little bit of relearning, because it's been a while since I've done any brakes. Well, sorry, any drum brakes. I've done disc brakes quite a few times, especially more recently, but it's been a while. So we got the old Haynes manual out here for 97 through 90 Dakota pickup. So we're gonna go through and see what we can learn, see if we can't get these going along. So we're gonna kind of come along with this, and we'll do maybe a time-lapse video of it and try to just get what we can here. So come along for the fun. Okay, so just a quick time-lapse of us removing the brake parts from the passenger side. Remember, if you like any of these videos, please subscribe, like, share. Let us know in the comments how we're doing, anything we can do to improve. Just let us know you're watching. Thanks. Yep. Actually, you should be able to just grab that and turn it. See how it's got, it's going one way and the other. No, not the whole.
You could like reach in there and twist it when you have it pushed back. See, now it's like starting to
Don't go back the opposite direction you just came. It's starting to come off of there. Try these to turn just the nail. There. There you got it.
in one piece that time.
Yep. Okay, now I think you still gonna have some more springs to pull.
thing, the cable guide.
We saw where that came from. Was there a spring with the cable guide?
I don't know, I didn't see one in there, but
Let's see.
it says there's supposed to be one.
Is it hanging down maybe here?
I haven't seen one.
Alright, so we're still trying to do this. And you can see we have gotten the shoes off. Now we got to try to figure out how to get the little wheel cylinder off of there. So that's the next project. Getting that off. Got new wheel cylinders. I'm going to replace those while we're in here. Go ahead and do it all right so we can hopefully get some good brakes, get some good stopping power on this thing. So let's see what we can do. And well, of course we have our other oops that drives us into further things we really didn't want to get into, but it looks like we're gonna have to. Yeah, broken brake line. I was hoping it wasn't twisting, and then turns out it was. So we kind of got to the point of no return. So we, well, anyways, new brake lines in the future. So we're gonna try and look those up, see if we can't maybe find some that are already shaped and everything. If not, well, we're gonna learn to, you know, figure out how to make these work or whatever. But we'll get this off here, and then, yeah, here's where we're at right now. We got about to take the wheel cylinder off, and then we're gonna go ahead and rebuild these brakes, and then all that left is putting on new lines. All right, so now we're gonna, well, as some of the other garage shows do, we are gonna rebuild these brakes. Ha, yeah. I guess what Pole Barn Garage does, they rebuild brakes, make it good as new. Let's see what we can do with these things. Yeah, trying to do it at night, probably not the best thing, but just trying to do what we can. That's the hard part about this time change. Lose daylight so early. You can't get nothing done after working all day. Try to do anything at the house, and no. The sun goes down. Who wants to get up early and do anything? Not this guy. Look at that. Looking prettier already. Prettier. Really surprised at how large these drums are on the back of what seems to be a small pickup. I guess it's mid-size, so it's not super small. So, wants to keep spraying, even after I release. What do you think? Guess we about got it. Let's go for round 2. Okay, round 2's got to dry still. We'll be back.
I thought you weren't going to record it.
Yeah, just a little bit. Have fun. They gotta know if you can do any painting. We'll always come back and hit a little bit more later. You don't have to get everything now. Hit just a little bit on the top of that other one over there. See a couple of spots where I can still see the old through it. And just like that, brake drums are back from the rebuild kit. Restored almost professionally. Oh, that's good. All better. Look like new ones again from a distance. Saved a bunch of money. Welcome back. Yeah, we're looking at leaves there, but that's not what we're actually working on. We're continuing to work on these brakes here. So anyhow, we've got everything removed from the driver's side. Sorry, we finished up the passenger side. Hopefully everything's good there. So we're moving on to the driver's side, and maybe some of the things we've learned from there, we're going to try and get this put together. So we're going to do a little bit of cleaning up real quick on this, get a little more bar off the back of the wheel there, and clean it up some, and get to putting everything together. So we'll see how this goes. Applying just a little bit of grease onto the adjuster screw assembly, and we'll put a little bit on the backing plate here in a minute, so everything kind of hopefully operates the way it's supposed to. Don't take a whole lot, just a little light coat on there. Put a light coat on the other one over here too. Alright, first thing we'll do is install the new wheel cylinder. What size socket's that on the back? 3/8?
Yes, sir.
And of course, while we're doing the wheel cylinders, well, if you look, you can see that brake block back there has no brake lines coming to it, and either side. Unfortunately, 3 out of 4 of the fittings broke loose, or broke, and well, we tried to get them off, but they were just seized on the line. So currently, we've got them in a shop. Somebody's remaking some new lines for us, and maybe we'll get them today. If not, then possibly Monday to get them. But we'll get some new brake lines, and then we'll actually really be able to test this all out. But that's the wheel cylinder. Now we're going to assemble the 2 brake shoes together. Shoes together, the spring and adjuster assembly. There's one half of it. I need to put the rest of the adjuster in there. Are you gonna try and do it with it on the? Got the adjuster facing the right direction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I should have had that spring already on there. That way it'd be easier to just grab it and pull it over.
When on which side? Can you tell in that picture?
It goes this end goes into there, and then your wait, hold on. Let's see. Yeah. And then this one comes over to here. That's the way it was on your other side. Wait, hold on one second. Right, we're back. Had to verify, look at some pictures and verify on the other side. But yeah, we got it right. I want to make sure 100% before we get too far. Now the fun part is trying to reach that spring over there. Okay, so one of the first boogery springs is on. Now, we get to figure out how to get this thing in here, hopefully without having to disassemble everything again. We still got that. Alright, should be able to put those little nails and springs in now, and it'll probably help things settle back in a better. I applaud these people that do these with one person. And especially anybody that does that and films it anyhow. I guess you could do it if you have something to hold your camera, but I haven't got that high tech yet. Still just starting off on trying this. And it's days like this and jobs like this that make me wonder, do I really want to do this? So let me know in the comments. Let me know if you enjoy watching any of this stuff. If not, you know, well, I'll just go on to doing my life and doing things without videoing it. But you know, we'll try to do it. Just maybe, like I said, you can enjoy it. You can watch us struggle. As old Rev says, if you enjoy seeing how we do it, not the way it should be done, or something along those lines, well, that's kind of probably how we do it. We do it how we learn some of them, and some things we learn by trial and error. But hey, that's the fun of it. Trying to make some memories, trying to make some things work, and as long as it works all in the end, hopefully there's not any issues. So yeah, we got a little, they call these nails, and then I forget what they call those little springs there, but Jeremiah said he figured out a slightly better way to do it on the other side, so we're going to see how that works. Uses a vice grip. Does that make us vice grip garage qualified if we're using vice grips? I don't know. Yeah, we like watching his channel too. Derek on Vice Grip Garage, Rev on Revstoration, a little bit of Pole Barn Garage.
Yeah.
A few other people, stuff like that.
Oh, yeah.
All right, there you go. I know, I'm just rambling, but trying to kill some time here while he's fiddling with this. So he gets that so it kind of holds it in place, pushes that in over the little key. We got it too far pulled back. Swing. Well, and that's the fun thing about springs. They're bouncy, 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 fun, 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 fun. As long as you don't put a neighbor's dog's eye out, right, Jeremiah? Funny story behind that. When we picked up these parts, we got them actually from one of the local Napa, and the guys said something about getting the right tools to possibly do these springs. He said first time he did, well, I don't know about first time, but anyways, one time when he was doing brakes, he shot a spring across the yard, and it unfortunately went through the eye of the neighbor's dog. Don't know if it's really a true story or not, but definitely sounds unfortunate. So hopefully we don't have any issues like that here.
I think we should buy that spring removal tool after all.
Well, that's a spring removal tool. You need a spring installation tool right now. All right, round two. We'll try this again. See if we can get everything kind of lined up here.
You want to try to get that spring on, hold this?
All right. Yeah, we're gonna have to come back for it after we get the spring. Okay, well, had to kind of get in there and help him a little bit, but we got it. We're gonna try this next one. See if this goes any quicker. Of course, he keeps putting his head in the way. How are we ever gonna see anything? Putting your head in the way. Head in the way. All right. Hold from behind. All these different springs we got to deal with. I don't know if I'm working on brakes or a clock. Got to get it.
There it goes.
Alright, here we go. And that helps a whole lot start bringing things into place now. Line that up a little bit better there. That's not on that right spot still. Now comes the next fun part. Trying to do some more springs. Got two more adjuster springs that we've got to go across the top here. He's going to try it with his vice grips. Let's see what they do. Oh, almost. Alright, got one down. Time for the second one. Going for the second spring. I know they say proper tool for proper job, but let me know if you think it really is any easier if you get a different set of tools for this. We obviously don't do this much right now, but you know, if this were to become something we wanted to do more, whether it be worth investing in spring removal tools. But hey, it's on there. Look at there. Another step closer. Now we've got to route the brake adjuster cable. Should be enough play in there to get it past that. It's coming. There you go. Route the adjuster cable around the what do you call that?
Cable guide.
Cable guide, yeah. Called what it does. It guides the cable. And then you gotta clip it down underneath here. See if you can see that. Kind of hard to tell. Oops. We'll work with that second here. Alright, so we finally got that cord, or not cord, cable in there, run through where it's supposed to run. Trying to verify if that's all straight and everything like that, but everything looks good on there. Looks like it's supposed to look. So now what we're gonna do is wait on some brake lines, and then we can try to put some more fluid in here and test it out, make sure everything's good to go. All right, well, we're back with new brake lines. And because it's winter time, well, it's getting dark early. So we're gonna use some lights here and try to hopefully be able to see what we're doing. Try to get some new brake lines in here, fill it up with some fluid, and bleed some brakes and see what we got. So here we go. All right, new brake lines in. One side and the other. Got them in. Look like a pretty good fit. We'll see how we do. We're gonna put some fluid in, and hopefully it all doesn't drain right back on out. Draining down, so it must be going somewhere. Hopefully it's just filling those lines up. Or running down the side of my bottle here. Alright, so we got some good solid streams. Yeah, you can see the mess there. And we've actually got some brakes back here now, as far as we can tell, with just manual power, and parking brake seems to work now. So we're gonna give this old puppy a start up. And of course, battery on this guy's died down quite a bit. Oh, let's check that brake fluid too real quick while we're at it. How's it looking?
It's still got quite a bit
It's
in
still
there.
good there. We'll top it off again in a little bit, but anyhow, we got yeah, the battery's down on this, so we get to use our little handy dandy jump start pack. I don't remember where I got this one off of Amazon. Gulu, I think is what it's called, but looks like it's good to go. So I'm gonna give that thing a whirl, and we'll see if she starts. Anything? Is it not even giving you anything? Not yet. Just trying to see if it'll do it without it. Nothing? All right. I'll press boost. When it's really dead, sometimes you got to give it a little extra oomph. There you go. And that's how you start her. Oh, well, I guess it wasn't ready yet, huh? All right, turn it back off.
Not good.
You got it off? All right. There's your boot. Been just slightly too soon. That alternator, I think that's gonna be one of our next things we have to look at, the output of the alternator, figure out what's going on with it. But yeah, that's our guy we use right there, Zulu. Works well. It starts it just about every time. All right, got some brakes. We'll pull these drums back off again. Just take a quick look underneath, see how everything's seating in there, make sure it's looking good, no issues. Fluid. Everything looks like it's still sitting in place good and firm the way it should. Probably gonna take a few times around to smooth the rest of the stuff out of there, but I think we're good to go. It's dark. Can't see a whole lot. But we're gonna give it a little bit of a shakedown drive, at least for the brakes. See how well they're doing. First good thing is they don't have little brake lights lit up on the dashboard anymore. ABS light, brake light are clear. And so far it feels like we've got good brakes. Of course we got very loose front end here. Yeah, let's probably do that regulator. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching that video of us working on the brakes. I know sometimes there were some painstaking times in there waiting, trying to get through putting springs on, some struggles and things like that. Thought about whether or not to take those out, but I thought, you know what, we'll leave them in. They were good learning experiences, not only just for Jeremiah, but myself as well. And also just, you know, if I take all the times of struggles and things like that out, there probably wouldn't be much of a video left in there. So I hope that you enjoyed watching it. We enjoyed doing the work and, you know, trying to make the content. So again, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share it with others. Let us know, you know, make a comment down below. Let me know whether to continue making these videos or not. We enjoy doing it, trying to figure out how to do it a little bit better and everything like that. So again, if you've got ideas, tips and things like that for us to try, let me know. We'll try to continue to improve them, make them better, and you know, hopefully we'll have some things in there to enjoy. And next video probably we'll have something in there as far as changing out that alternator so we can get the truck running and keeping it running, and we'll go from there. So anyways, As always, enjoy and have a wonderful day, and God bless.